Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how I built this puzzle. Let's run the intro. A big time ago I started the superhero series. First was the Batarang, which is basically two floppies joined together by the middle. Use a mold, give the shape of the Batman logo, using epoxy to fill up the gaps, and some paint. That's the Batarang. Now I use a floppy ghost cube to make this puzzle. I use the same way as I use for the Batman one, using a mold to make the shape of the logo, using MDF to fill up the gaps, and some epoxy. I painted a bit and put some stickers. But the only thing with these stickers is that, well, I still not like the end result of that, so I'm thinking to change up in the future. Alright, that's the two first puzzles I did. Now go to the next level. We are going to do the Wonder Woman Floppy cube. I like this character because she looks so hot in the 70s with her bikini armor, and also in recent years with Batman vs Superman, the Justice League, and with her own movie. First of all, we go to Blender to design the extensions. Once done that, we exported the file to Cura, which will be the program I will use for coding the G-code for the extension itself. Done that, I exported it in the SD card, set up the printer, and off we go. Once that, we take out the excess. Let's take out the stickers. Fast! We cut the floppy cube. Print out a 19mm cube. We glue it together in the gap between the two cubes. Once on that, I also use one of the caps that normally comes with a floppy cube, glue together. The piece will look like this. Once on that, we check how it works. It seems to be okay. Then start gluing all the extensions. Now, look at this extension. It looks bigger than my own fingers. And pretty much that's it. After that, I apply some paint. This looks in one side, the inverse is in the other. Now let's check it out. Let's check it out, the puzzle. It can shapeshift, it can bandage, from wing to wing. It has 26.5 centimeters. I hope you guys like this video. We are almost getting 1,000 subscribers on Instagram. Thank you very much for everybody of you. We are in Facebook. We are in Twitter, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, don't forget the bell notification, and see you next time.